Alright guys, I quickly want to show you how you can run your Python scripts with literally the press of a few buttons. And you just have to set it up real quickly. Okay, now what you want to do is go to PyCharm and create a new project somewhere easily accessible. I'm just going to make it on the desktop. I'm going to call mine commands and create that. I already did mine as my laptop is a little slow and I don't want to waste your time. So once you're there, go to the commands, go to your new project, say a new file, new Python file, and then name it. I'm just gonna call mine hello, and then you can write your script, whatever it might be. It doesn't matter, whatever. I'm just gonna write a very short one, which is just gonna be a simple hello world. Okay, once you've done that, okay, it's already saved there. It will be saved there. So close this, then go open your notepad. You need to create a batch file so that you can run this program from your command window. Now what you do here, it's really simple. Add py.execute, and then you need to copy the file path where your scripts are located. So mine is right here on the desktop. There's as you can see, there's the little program. Commands, copy it, paste it, and just add the program name, which is hello. At the end, add .py, otherwise it's not going to work. So don't forget to add that .py. And then you add these two symbols, the asterisk there, and add pause next to it. So after it runs, it doesn't just close the window, it shows a pause so you can actually see what went on there. Okay, then you need to save your batch file. You need to save it as a batch file. I created a special directory where I store all my batch files, where all my programs, all my scripts are that I want to run. Now I'm just going to call this one program 3.bat. Don't forget to save it as that BAT because that designates it as a batch file. Once that's done, click save. You can close this. Then all you need to do, guys, is press the Windows button and R. Now you'll see this little command window. You just go to your batch files here. Mine is already here, as you can see. I'm just going to change this from program 2 to program 3, and then you run it. And as you can see, there it is. The program ran successfully, the script. Now, so you can add that directory and you can have any number of scripts in there, whatever they might do for you. If you need quick access to them, Windows, or you just change from program 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever you might call them, and you can quickly run your Python scripts like that. I hope you found this useful, guys. Thanks a lot and have a great night or day. Thank you.